Look at that. That is freaking beautiful. Wow. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead, or welcome to. So today, well, I'll tell you what I've been doing. I tell you, the weather has been absolutely terrible. Terrible. Past 3-4 days here. Rain, snow, sleet, high winds. It's crazy. So I really haven't got a whole lot going on. But what I have been doing is I've been working on these. These are the hay feeders for the 2 bucks and then the little bucklings that are right up there that we just separated. So these are the ends. I still got to put this one together. But these two here, I made some changes on them. If you watched on my last one, these were 2 feet wide. I made them 3 feet wide. That was a big change. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So I just got to do this other one. But I had to stop working on them because the boss said she's tired of, well, anyways, her stand mixer. She has a big semi-commercial stand mixer for her bread business, and it's up on a 42-inch counter, something or other, and it's too high. So she wants me to make her a stand. So that's what I'm doing today. So I got this here going. This is going to be the base, and then I just need to make it so that the whole thing is 36 inches high. So I'm just this is going to go like this. You know, I'm going to piece them in there, attach it so it's a nice square base, because that thing gets pretty violent when it's mixing. I mean, I forget what she's mixing, 20 pounds or something at a time. So, and since I bought this, I don't know, a month or so ago, 2 months ago, never even took it out of the box, it's plainer. I thought, you know, it's time for me to make something a little bit nice looking. This isn't for the goats, this is for the wife. So I think I should at least try, right? So that's just busting this thing out. Never had one before. It's really nice so far. It's a 3-blade, and I really like it so far. Man, it does a wonderful job. That is smooth like a baby's bottom. So, all right, I'm gonna notch these ends out on those two, and then we're going to plane them. We're going to get them together, and we're going to slap this thing together. Hopefully it comes together quickly. Ooh, little goat got zapped hard. Oh, anyways, guys, this video has gotten away from me, and I apologize for that. I built this by the seat of my pants today. Had no idea what I was doing. Probably made myself a lot more work trying to fit all these 4x4s together with, like with a pocket joint and all that stuff. I mean, it looks nice, but and I just had these left over in the basement. I didn't even edge them or anything. I just run them through my new planer, which I really like, by the way. So if you're looking for a desk or like a tabletop planer, that Hercules is a really nice planer. But this is maple. This is all cherry. These are cherry. Man, they're smooth. So the bottom one is just that was an afterthought also here at the end. This helps the head baker be more comfortable. So this is income security. So I think what we'll do is I'm going to demand that she puts a sheet or something over this for this week. And then once she's done baking, we will probably just do some like linseed oil or something on it and keep it nice. So, and then the bottom is going to be, what are you going to do to the bottom with? It's going to be another, your little baby stand mixer. Yeah. So, but we have rain on the way. Kerri took care of the goats.
Did you tell them what happened?
Yeah, she told me she wanted this 36 inches high, so that's what I made it. And then she comes out here like, I'm just getting ready to screw these down. And she's like, I messed up. And I was like, what'd you mess up on? She's like, it's too high. And I was like, well, I knew that, but you told me 36. So I put a mark down here. And with my brand new Hercules circular saw, I just took them down to 29. Then the 3/4, so they're 29 3/4 high now instead of 37. It would have been almost. So now I got to try and get this miserable thing down into the basement. So anyways, I don't know what this video is going to be like. I'm going to try to show you how I built this a little bit. I did put this held together with 6-inch timber screws. Holy smokes. Killed my batteries. But this thing here, this miserable Ryobi POS driver wouldn't even drive these. I had to use, which is not here, I had to use my big drill to drill these in. So, but yeah, I can feel the rain hitting me. So we're going to get this thing downstairs, get everything cleaned up. Yeah. So.
Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
Best hubby ever.
But it's pretty nice. I will try to get a shot of it when we get it downstairs with the mixer on it. All right, well, there it is. She said it's perfect height. So I thought we'd just set it there so you could see what it looks like. And then her other mixer right there is going down. She's actually down here making dough just a little while ago. So excuse the flour, but it is a bakery. So yeah, there she gets, and that'll go down there. But there it is. So now she won't have to lift up as high. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.